Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account on the Spotify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the first icon down below, which is the home icon. Then click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on the account section. Scroll down till you find the click here option. Now you will be directed to Spotify's page. You should click on this button down below, meaning that you will affirm your will to delete your account. Press the button continue down below, accept the conditions and press the button again. Now you should go to your email address and press the button that you are going to find there. So then your account will be deleted automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.